Yes, the factory is a wholesale company with eggs, dairy and bakery products. So we used to be an egg factory and we diverted that to bakery raw materials. So everything bakery related, chocolate, sugar, everything. And we supply that to industry, semi-industrial customers and also the crafts bakeries here in Belgium. And for that we also need frozen and cold storage, especially for butter and bake-off products. And that's why solar is very good for cold storage. The maximum revenue in power of solar is produced during summer, and then we also need the maximum amount of cold storage because the temperature is much higher then. So it was a 1-1 relationship on that. I think we already started to look at batteries about 7 years ago, so it's quite a long time ago. And then the only option that was available then was Tesla battery packs. And that was at the time very expensive, but we had a lot of solar injection. We had too much production of solar, and we already looked at several ways to keep that energy here. We were looking at several options, and then suddenly they gave us POWEROAD. Isn't that something that would suit you? And then we started this, and we've been very satisfied with that. It has been profitable, and it has solved a number of problems because you can always do smart things with electricity. But basically, if you have solar, during the day, the night is always a problem, and that's the missing link with solar power. You need batteries if you have solar. It's as simple as that. And we really did very well with that. And then first, when it was installed, electricity was at a very high price. And I always found it a shame that we didn't put 2 batteries. But well, but now we've already bought another battery, and the system is working really well. Yeah.